Welcome to the Sonoran Desert. It's been a pretty busy year for all of us here at KOLD. Valerie, a tornado in Tucson. Can you believe it? Well, believe it or not, that's exactly what the National Weather Service is confirming. Expect that lightning, that thunder, heavy rainfall, hail is even possible. It started near the Davis-Monthan area and now is moving north, picking up some really heavy rainfall at this very moment, though. That's exactly why that advisory is in place. So we saw those gusty winds yesterday because of the trough to the north. We're seeing the cooler temperatures now because of that same storm system. So I know it's going to bring out the mom in me, but you got to stay hydrated, folks. It's that time of the year.
And why are you
We broke another record.
Another one?
Just a few minutes ago.
Oh my goodness. Can we just stop for the day?
I think we're good for today. Obviously, we'll be keeping an eye on those overnight lows, of course, but another record has been broken, and now we can add it to the history books. It rained in a lot of places around southern Arizona, but the east side is who really felt a lot of the damage. But if you want to kind of make it a positive spin, the neighbors have all come together to help each other out. Big change on the way. Yesterday, we talked about that winter weather advisory. National Weather Service has now extended and upgraded that to a winter storm warning and a little bit of a cool down. And then this ridge of high pressure we're tracking midweek next week. And yeah, we are on tap to reach triple digits. Absolutely. So enjoy this week. Really nice. Okay. Nogales, in fact, we're going to talk to you right now. You have a flash flood warning in effect, and this just in from the National Weather Service. The Nogales wash, which is also included in this flash flood warning, has exceeded bankful at 8 feet, 13 inches, not 13 inches, my goodness. Oh, woo, that'd be a whole different story though. Hello, monsoon. That's all I'm gonna say here. Some actions to take on a serious note though, folks. If you see that heavy rain, flooded washes, flooded intersections, please just do not drive through it. And I know a lot of you have some awesome trucks and you think you could get through it. You just never know what is underneath that water. We've sent our photog out there to actually get a look to see. There they are. They're coming along nicely.
So are those are on the dash of a car?
Correct.
Right?
So
okay. And
it is
how hot?
152 degrees.
Error.
No, it is 151.9. It was 152 degrees, so it's 152 on that. What, that baking pan right there?
Exactly, yeah.
Wow.
And they've been sitting out there for an hour, actually.
Okay. All right.
So not too long.
Okay,
now look at that.
162.
On top of the dash.
So 162 degrees in the car.
Yeah. And you know, this is obviously a fun experiment to do, but this just shows you the safety aspect when we talk about not leaving pets or kids in the car. And I know life gets crazy, right? But it just shows you how fast, literally an hour, it's already been heating up. I've had some snowbirds reach out to me and they're like, yeah, we keep an eye on this Tucson weather. We're going to come back later. I know, absolutely. I mean, my neighbors haven't come back and I'm like, yeah, I don't think so. Not yet. It's not because of me. At least I hope not. Even just moments ago, Rebecca, this severe thunderstorm warning, another one issued, this time though on the east side of the state. So this is about 7 miles southeast of the Pierce area and actually at 26 miles south of Wilcox. It's pretty much just sitting over that area. Diving in to give you a closer look, the square right here. There's Benson, here's Tombstone, here's Elfrida, and it's just this guy right there. That storm cell literally just sitting over there in that area. This is going to be in effect until 4:30 this afternoon. Over here, though, for you in Pima County, we're talking Tucson, Drexel Heights, parts of 3 Points, South Tucson, Catalina Foothills, everything south of Oro Valley. You're part of this until 4:15 this afternoon. Expect heavy rain, those gusty winds, possible flooding, in fact, and lightning and some thunder. Now, this flash flood warning still over Cochise County. This is south of Sierra Vista. Sierra Vista is here. This flash flood warning is right here in that green circle until 6:15 this evening. A flood advisory in effect, though. This is really on the border of Cochise, Pima, and Santa Cruz County, Sonoyta, and then be a little bit east of that as well until 5:15 this evening. A little bit more broad just to give you a closer idea of what we're dealing with here in southern Arizona. Hello, monsoon. That's all I'm going to say here. Some actions to take on a serious note, though, folks. If you see that heavy rain, flooded washes, flooded intersections, please just do not drive through it. And I know a lot of you have some awesome trucks and you think you could get through it. You just never know what is underneath that water. Of course, if you see any type of lightning, hear any thunder, head inside. I want to take you guys outside. Look at this. Tombstone, the northwest side, the Tucson Mountains, Mount Bigelow, clouds. We're seeing rain there. Oh, so nice, isn't it? Those gusty winds, look at this, 58 miles per hour that we clocked in at the Tucson International Airport. Really strong winds, in fact, and can be really dangerous. 31 for our friends in Flagstaff, 21 in San Manuel. Sierra Vista, look at you, 39 miles per hour, 23 in Nogales. Rain is expected for the rest of our evening and through the weekend. Let me show you, this is around 5 o'clock this evening. Nogales, parts of Sierra Vista, the west side of the Tucson area. Everything then moving south. So we're talking a little spotty in Douglas, parts of Sierra Vista, Nogales, and that's going to continue through the rest of our evening. Now Saturday, we have a very slight chance for rain, but really it's going to be Sunday is going to be the best chance that we're going to see some of those storms, especially in the early morning hours. Here's around 5, eventually 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock widespread showers for southern Arizona. Right now, look at this temp drop. We were in triple digits just 1 hour ago. Now we're at 83. Woo-hoo-hoo, chilly. Get that jacket out. 84 in Sierra Vista, triple digits for Marana and Safford. 33 triple digit days we've seen so far. We're going to see some gusty winds on and off throughout the day, but pretty much just storm chances for the rest of the week.
As wind subsided, cyclists are no doubt enjoying this week of weather.
Oh, it's going to be so nice. Hopefully you're able to get out and enjoy because we are tracking triple digits later on next week. Let's focus on right now, though. Really a nice cool down compared to what we saw yesterday, and no crazy gusty winds to deal with either. Right now, though, 87 degrees in the Tucson area, 81 Sierra Vista, 85 if you're in Nogales, 79 in Wilcox, 84 degrees for our friends in the Safford area. Cooler temps today. Look at this. We are 4 degrees cooler now than we were just 24 hours ago in Tucson. The same if you were in Sierra Vista, Bisbee, Douglas, Bowie, Wilcox, Safford. 3 degrees cooler for our friends in Sassabee and 1 degree cooler for our friends up in the Phoenix area. Taking a live look to the north, the blue skies, no cloud coverage here. Yesterday was quite the cloudy day, wasn't it? We're seeing all that dust kicking up with those gusty winds and the cloud coverage, but now everything is cleared out, though. Enjoy this really nice day. In fact, our radar is dry. We're not tracking any type of rain whatsoever for the rest of our week. And when it comes to any type of gusty winds, a slight breeze, though, that's going to continue for the rest of our work week as well. Picking things up very slightly, though, just to the teens. It's just more anything just annoying rather than super gusty, right? Your tea time forecast, not too bad at all temp wise. And again, that breeze might just help you get that sweat off your face a little bit on the golf course. By 2 o'clock, 92 degrees, 94 by 4 o'clock this afternoon. By 6 o'clock, we'll see 92 degrees with lots of sunshine in the mix for you. So we saw those gusty winds yesterday because of the trough to the north. We're seeing the cooler temperatures now because of that same storm system to the north. A ridge of high pressure is building. And in fact, it's going to really start to warm us up as we head into our weekend. Then a little bit of a cool down, and then this ridge of high pressure. We're tracking midweek next week, and yeah, we're on tap to reach triple digits. Absolutely. So enjoy this week. Really nice. Okay, so we're seeing temperature wise where we should be this time of the year and even below. In fact, on your Wednesday, 93, on Thursday, 94, jumping up to 95 by Friday, and then cooling down to 91 degrees on your Saturday. Keep in mind 94, 95 degrees is really where we should be this time of the year. Our future radar, we're not tracking any type of storms whatsoever. A little bit of that high pressure, though, to the south of us, to our friends in Mexico, is causing us to be more so on the breezy side, though. But again, we're not seeing any type of rain for us. That high pressure will then move into our region, and that's why we're going to see those triple digits possibly later next week. Focusing on today, in fact, we're seeing the 90s for Douglas, Tucson, the 80s for our friends in Nogales and Sierra Vista. Your 13th first alert 7-day forecast, 94 degrees today, and then those 90s are going to continue. I'm just going to give you a tip right now. Tuesday, we are tracking triple digits, Rebecca. I can't fit it in here, so tomorrow it's going to be on the map.
Great.